My name is Jessica and I am the program coordinator at the Morinville Community Library. Today I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about all of our programs for September. So the first program that we have starts on September 1st, and it is a self-run fall scavenger hunt. It runs from September 1st to September the 17th, and it is ages 5 to 9. And you are basically just looking around the city, around any areas that you choose to find fall-related items such as green leaves, orange leaves, pumpkins, pine cones, all of that good stuff. You will also be given a brown bag where you can collect any of the items that you find. And on the 17th of September, we have a art workshop where you can make art with all of the items that you grab. And it is from 1 to 2. The second program that we have is on the 27th of September, and it is a Thanksgiving scrapbook workshop specifically for seniors. So the age range is 55 plus, and there are 15 spots. For the first program, it's just drop-in, but for the second program, it is register, so you can call the library. And it's basically just making a lot of little scrapbook pages for your memories. If you want to bring in any photos of your family, you can do that. And we'll be serving coffee and little biscuits, so you can come on down. And it is also while supplies last. Those are basically the two programs that we have for September. If you have any questions about any of them, feel free to drop in or call the library and just ask for Jess, and I would be very, very happy to answer any question. We also do have a bunch of programs coming in October, so stay tuned for that.